Welcome to another video. Your host Jack McCaig here, and we want to show you the work we're doing at Liberty Aid Academy, and we're going to do a proof video. So if you've been doing my work over the years, Christian Ministries Trust, here it is, right? I got funded with the EIDL. I'm just going to prove that. So here we go. Oh, that's it. Funded, completed, got funded. There you go, SBA. Now, some more proof and some guidance here. They send this, there's a link for this, faith-based organizations, and it says a 508c1A will work, no problem. Organizations are not required to apply to the IRS to receive tax exempt status. I mean, how much more clear can wording be, guidance be from the government? That's, I've been saying that you don't, the code's been saying you don't, you're not required to apply. You're automatically tax exempt, your organization. There you go. So this is fascinating too, because what's happened is, sure, Christian Ministries Trust got funded, and it has a big fat credit report out there, and with 14 trade lines and so on, a lot going on, right? And so on. So yeah, it has a big credit report, but guess what? And I'm showing proof that this happened for this, but we have some other people doing this too. And good news, here's the courses, right? You want to get the trust first. You always get the trust first. That's what lent this EIDL money, is the trust. So you want this trust 101 right here. There you go. So there it is. We had a client just show us all the proof that they got funded too for their trust, and they didn't even go through registration process at the Secretary of State, and their personal credit score was sub 600. So this works, and if you have multiple trusts open with multiple bank accounts, because and another little, I'll tell you a little hack. It kind of, it's a can't do thing. You can't have two different people getting money into the same bank account, basically. Okay, two persons. Like, let's say some individual has a trust, and there's a bank account for that trust. Let's say there's another trust, but it doesn't have a bank account. You don't want to be receiving, and it's for that person, that trust. So don't have two persons get it into one bank account. Okay, that's just, I'm not saying every bank has that rule, but I've seen a bank have that rule. Navy Federal Credit Union, but because they had it, it makes me think it might come up in other cases. So other than that, no problems. Money comes in quickly as soon as they approve it, and there's other money coming up. The government taps are getting open, so I mean, why wouldn't you do this work? You're not going to owe taxes on it. You see, this is not a tax reporting entity, and you do not, ask the government, you do not apply, as I just showed you, to get this exemption, and it's still lendable. Okay, so I don't know what people are waiting for. Like, why would you ever operate another entity type? It doesn't make any sense. They all cost you money in taxes and so on. It doesn't make any sense. And this one you don't even report. Not only is it not paying the taxes, but you don't have to do all the bookkeeping and all that nonsense, fill out the paperwork, all that, let alone paying. You don't spend all your time on that. So what are you waiting for? All right, here to help you. Let us know.